Adjusting the pH of water with baking soda.
Hello everyone. In today's topic, we're going to explore how much baking soda is needed to raise the pH of a gallon of water. But first, let's understand why we would want to change the pH of water and what role baking soda plays in this process.
What is pH and why is it important?
pH is a measure of how acidic or basic water is. The range goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Below 7 becomes progressively more acidic, while above 7 becomes more basic or alkaline. The pH of water can significantly impact the health of our environment and our bodies. This is why it's sometimes necessary to adjust the pH level of water.
What role does baking soda play?
Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline substance that can increase the pH level of water. When added to water, it dissolves and creates a basic solution. This can help neutralize acid and improve the overall pH level.
How much baking soda is needed?
The exact amount of baking soda needed can vary based on the starting pH of the water. But as a general rule, you can start with about half a teaspoon, 2 grams, of baking soda per gallon of water. This is just a starting point, and you should measure the pH after adding the baking soda, then adjust accordingly. Remember, the goal is to get the pH to the desired level, not to add a specific amount of baking soda. So, always make sure to add a bit, measure the pH, and then add more if necessary. Also, be sure to thoroughly mix the baking soda in the water before measuring the pH. In conclusion, while the precise amount can vary, about half a teaspoon of baking soda can be used as a starting point to raise the pH of a gallon of water. Always remember to take your initial pH reading, and then test the pH again after adding the baking soda. Adjust as necessary, always being careful not to overcorrect. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding how to adjust the pH of water with baking soda. Thanks for watching.